labor, and the expression of worth.
To reach out, to build trust, to celebrate life. The great thing about being famous would be that people would want to play with you. You could name creative projects and build creative projects. Practicing scales and arpeggios. We practice our patterns so we can play right notes, so we can participate in form, so we can play in a particular key, a tone center. Movement with the guitar, running, dancing, it's causing me to find these ways to stabilize the instrument, to use my body and my arms to stabilize. This is one of my favorite beats here. Makes me, I discover it when my shoulders are way back. You can see my shadow. It's causing me to work on my fine motor movements while the gross motor movements are happening. I kind of separated those two out. I've been consciously approaching both of them and consciously integrating them. That's a pretty big part of the process. Good morning. I've always said I kind of wanted to live in a musical where the music just never stopped, where that really winded me. Trying to be conscious right now about, well, do the camera work, trying to get the camera work down. Get the guitar in a position where I'm trying to get the shot while allowing the music to continue, allow all those programs to keep. Yes, trying to capture the sunlight, being mindful of other participants in the social atmosphere, participating, kind of, yes, writing one's own comeback music, writing the music for one's montage, allowing oneself to live in the musical. I woke up with musical things to do and musical people to meet and new people to play with. We're all practicing our scales and our arpeggios so we can transcend the forms, yes? So I'm standing kind of in a modified warrior stance right now with my right hip jutting out for support on the guitar. And then I'm trying to frame in my mind. I've got the widest lens on the GoPro, and I'm trying to frame in my mind because I have zero experience with this, but I did look at some of the footage. So I'm trying to imagine, if I come into a back bend, it seems that I may be getting something I'm imagining to be a full picture. There comes the wind. So when the wind comes, I imagine if I could bring it in, bring myself in close like this, then maybe we can get some small stuff hidden from the wind.